Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and yes, it's that time of year. I have grabbed the dehumidifier out. I've been running it since last night, and this is a 10 litre bucket, and you can see the level amount of water that's in there. And I started this at 4 o'clock last night, so we're not even 24 hours later. It's about 18 hours later, so it's not too bad, and the total cost was about 75p. But the main thing I've noticed is my windows aren't covered in moisture, and it also feels warmer in there, even though it's 9 degrees. Can I zoom in there? 9 degrees. It just feels warmer because it's not as damp, because overnight all that water's been dragged out. Well, this is what my screen and windows look like from the inside today. Yesterday they were just absolutely covered in moisture, yeah, and all I've done is I went out and I bought one of these. Yeah, they come in a pack of 3 in B&Q. It was £3 for 3 of them, and all I did was stick it up there in the van overnight, and my van is totally moisture free, so I haven't got to spend God knows how long wiping all the moisture off. Yeah, so they come in packs of 3, and they're just these interior dehumidifiers. Last about 5 to 6 weeks, but might be a good tip for you folks to get.